Alright, so to get started off here, I'm just going to be putting some of this acetone. I'm going to be wiping it on the bottom. What we did is we scraped all the, there's a lot of silicone. There's just tiny bits of residue on here. So I'm just going to try to clean it up. Once I get all that out, it'll be able to create a better bond when I get the double-sided tape. And then after that, I'm just going to paint it up. And it's pretty simple. I just want to take the extra steps and get it fitting good and do a clean job, because it's probably going to stay on the car for a long time. Shout out to all the pimps and hustlers.
Yeah, all the pimps, the players, the ballers.
The ballers, the shot caller.
Yeah. The bitches and the hoes. It's gonna look pretty good though with this.
Yeah.
This little wing.
Pretty sweet. Not too bad. That's how it'll look.
Yeah, not too bad.
Don't forget to subscribe too. I'm almost at 500.
Yeah, help hit 500. Share these videos.
Make your mom, your uncle watch them. Your cousin.
Get your girlfriend's account.
Yeah, give it a thumbs up.
On this video,
just
guys.
Kidding. Your girl probably already watches this channel.
Yeah,
She knows
does.
what's up.
But on this video, guys, let's try to get at least 20 thumbs up.
So I just came back from AutoZone. I had to go over there real quick. I forgot. I needed to get more tape. I couldn't find the one I had, so I picked that up. I'm just using this 3M double-sided tape, so it should hold it on pretty good, I'm thinking. If not, so now I'm just gonna wait for the paint to cure, and right now I'm about to drink this Snapple. Some punk at my work, Tony, Montana, he left it. So I'm about to drink it, because I can, because the world is ours. Remember that time when I got you this gold badge?
Yeah, a few years ago.
Nah,
a few months ago.
A few months back.
Yeah.
It was from one of the previous videos. The real fans know what's up.
Yeah, go back and watch that one.
Yeah. It was one of the junkyard videos.
I'm just trying to take off these pieces right here.
We're going to use some of that double-sided tape. The people are waiting.
Alright, so we took off the double-sided tape. We got it all ready. Just gonna put it on.
Ahí está.
Apply pressure for like 10 seconds or so.
You need to apply even pressure. Alright, check it out. So basically all I'm going to be doing is just putting the tape on the bottom here. And that's it. Yep. Alright, so all I did, I just lined it up the way I wanted it. It's all pretty even, so I just threw a strip of tape there. That way I'll have a marker, just a little pinpoint, so I know where I lined it up. And I'm going to put the other tape on the bottom and then try to stick it on and line it all up. That way it's nice and flush, hella flush. Alright, so I just put all the tape. I started running out of it because I didn't buy the big roll. So if you do this, buy the big roll, not the little one, the 5-foot one. But I think it'll work. I went crazy on the bottom, that's why. But yeah.
That's actually the top.
Or the top, whatever. Yeah, it's the top. But yeah. It should work.
It holds some steam.
It will hold some things. That's what the guy told me at AutoZone. It sure will hold some things.
Why don't you show them your cut?
I know I cut myself. Sucks. So all you want to do is just peel the backing off of the double-sided tape. There we go. Now we'll try to line this up. Hopefully.
Hang on, guys. Fucking tow truck or fucking trash truck. But he got it all lined up. See how even it is on the sides? This is all flush. Lines up perfectly with that tape mark.
Blood all over. I'm gonna have to call the paramedics.
It's already broken in.
Yeah, see.
She ain't a virgin anymore, guys.
I'll try to wipe it down.
How does it feel? Solid or?
Yeah. Yeah, it's stuck.
Yeah, he's moving the whole car.
That's gonna add a lot of downforce.
That's probably gonna add a few horsepower. Are you gonna take it to the dyno?
No. I got banned from the dyno after I broke it last time. So it was a pretty easy install. That's the ducktail there. I'll show you some more. It looks pretty good. It fits good on the car. It kind of goes with the black and red theme I got. One other thing I need to ask you guys. You guys think I should do like a banner or something back here? I was thinking about putting the YouTube logo or something. My channel. Let me know what you guys think. I was thinking some other ideas, but put it in the comments what you guys think would be funny or cool.